Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sundari and I am from English Educational Program at UIN Raden Mas Said Surakarta. In this video, I would like to explain regarding varieties of learning since it is the requirement for my midterm test of English Instructional Design subject. So when a teacher starts to think about the application of learning instruction in the class, there is no any better guide than to ask a question. What is the question to be asked? It is, what is to be learned? What is to be learned in that class? It could be intellectual skill, cognitive skill, information, motor skill, or even students can learn attitudes in the class. However, the center of learning in the school is the intellectual skill. Intellectual skills itself refers to the ability of individuals to process information, to solve problems, and to make decisions. Moreover, Donald at 1995 also stated that researchers suggest intellectual skills into three. They are critical thinking, problem solving, and formal operation. However, teachers can direct students in the class to gain their intellectual skills by reading comprehension or critical thinking, conversation, group discussion, and paragraph construction, sentence creation, and many others. Furthermore, intellectual skills can be classified based on its complexity in any field. The first one is stimulus recognition. Stimulus recognition is the ability of an individual to recognize the stimulus, the particular stimulus or situation around him. And then there is response generation. So the second one is response generation. Response generation means the ability of individuals to respond to a particular stimulus. And then the third one is procedure following. Procedure following is the ability to order the procedure in doing the task. And then the fourth one is the use of terminology. The use of terminology means that the ability of individuals to use specific terminology or language in a particular subject. And then the fifth one is discriminations. Discriminations is the ability to differentiate between object and the concept. So number 6 is concept formation. Concept formation refers to the ability of individuals to form a concept based on a set of characteristics that is provided. And number 7 is rule application. Rule application is the ability of individuals to apply the rule in completing the task or in solving the problem. And the last one, or number 8, is problem solving. Problem solving is the ability to use the critical thinking or analytical skills to solve the problem. So the next, I will present about cognitive strategies. So what is cognitive strategies? Cognitive strategies is the technique that improves learners' ability to process information more deeply, to transfer it, and to apply the information in a new situation, which it will result in a better retained learning. However, there are several keywords for the cognitive strategies. They are acquire, process, store, organize, retrieve, and information itself. These strategies help the students to solve the problems and then to learn more faster and also to think more critical. There are several ways for the teacher to use the cognitive strategies in teaching and learning English process. For example, like reading comprehension and then grammar or syntax. Those kind of things require the cognitive abilities. However, there are also several cognitive learning according to Weinstein at 2018. The first one is space retrieval. Space retrieval is the strategies of the teacher to give the space or to spacing out the learning materials, which means the teacher gives the students time to understand the previous material before adding more information or before adding more new information to the students. Yeah. So, and the second is interleaving. Interleaving is the teacher can mixing up the different problems in one material. And the third is elaboration. Elaboration is the teacher can connect the previous material to the new materials. And the fourth is reflection, which refers to students may reflect the previous materials that they have learned. And the fifth is concrete examples, which refers to students may give the real examples from the materials that they learned. So that's all the explanation from me about varieties of learning, especially about intellectual skills and cognitive strategies. Hopefully this video will be beneficial for you who is watching this video. Thank you so much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.